Greetings, friends. I'm standing in front of Gillette Hall with an exciting announcement. Houghton University is in receipt of a lead gift of $10.4 million from Don and Beverly Green, which will allow us to complete major renovation of Gillette Hall. The Greens' gift, along with the gifts of Friends of Houghton and Houghton alumni, will allow this project, which will total in excess of $11 million, to be funded completely by the gifts of donors. I am grateful for the Greens' servants' hearts, their extraordinary generosity, and their commitment to ensuring that Houghton University remains firmly grounded in the Word of God and committed to academic excellence.
Some of the first things that students will recognize upon walking into the new building will be an exciting renovation of the main lounge, which will include the new elevator entrance and the entrance on the road side of the building, which will become a primary entrance for all the students.
A project like this does not come to fruition without an extraordinary team that's supporting its efforts. First, I would like to thank from DCG Development, Bill Murphy and Derek Miller, who have been extraordinary partners for us. I'd also like to thank Houghton's long-standing partners, CPL and Kinley Corporation.
Some new features that students will notice in the lounges and kitchens are each kitchen will have new countertops, new paints, new flooring, and the lounges, whether it's the big lounges on the floor or the community lounges throughout the building, will all have new furniture, ranging from high top tables with high chairs to comfortable modular seating that students can adjust in each lounge to make it their space, whether they're gathering for a movie night or trying to study. Another important aspect of living on campus, having bathrooms that you're comfortable with and enjoying. So part of our renovation plan is to update all of the hall bathrooms with updated tiles, updated stalls to provide more privacy for residents, and also some more spacious plans. So that includes storage cubicles where residents can store their items while they're using the restrooms and shower rooms, as well as more counter space, because we know that's important for the women who will live in this hall. We're also adding some color to the bathrooms to make it a little bit more inviting and warm, as we want this place to feel like home.
At the Greens' request, at the conclusion of this project, Gillette Hall will return to its previous name of East Hall. That change was approved by the Executive Committee of the Board of Trustees earlier this year, with the provision that there be space dedicated within Gillette Hall to remembering the legacy and the contributions of longtime history professor Dr. Frida Gillette. Here at Houghton, I would be remiss if I did not recognize the extraordinary work and commitment of Vice President for Advancement and External Engagement, Carl Sisson, Vice President for Finance, Dale Wright, Vice President for Student Life, Bill Burriter, Dean of Students, Katie Brightigan, and Director of Facilities, Chad Plymale. It has taken this incredible team over the last couple months to make this project a reality. I look forward to keeping you updated over the next 15 months as this project comes to completion. This is such an exciting time in the history and the life of Houghton University. For those of you who are interested in further supporting Houghton's residence renewal efforts, please contact the Office of Advancement. We look forward to seeing you around campus soon and eventually celebrating this extraordinary gift brought to fruition by the generosity of the Greens. May God bless you and keep you.